said, I'm gonna stand there because you see me walking. I'm gonna stand here so you think that you can hit me. Then he gonna continue to walk. These, but I don't know which one I should get. I saw it on TikTok. Oh my gosh. Is this the same one? Yeah, I saw this on TikTok that it was good. I think I'm gonna get this one because it has the 5% in it. So I'm gonna try this. This body wash, I'm gonna try it. Plus it's fragrance free. So we're gonna see. So I'm rushing to blow dry my hair. I hate doing this myself.
This is the Robinson's fried tomato sauce.
Okay, that'll be all.
I said how many of the marinara dipping sauce you want on the side?
Let's do 3, please.
You said it's just 2? A couple of marinara?
3, please.
3 of those. Alrighty. You're welcome. I just wanted to let you know again, our system does require, so we have to have your last name for the order in order to be delivered. So could you provide me your full last name, please?
Corley's.
I'm
confused.
Alrighty, and you said you'll be paying cash, right?
Card, ma'am. Card.
Alright, just go ahead and stay on the line, ma'am, to complete a brief survey. So thank you, and have a great day.
Bye. To talk to another fucking AI person? I don't think so. Please stay on double eye. Right! My hair's done. We're about to dip the ends. So we're gonna finish up. I'll update. I didn't update the vlog that I finished cleaning my room and everything. But this is my hair. They're a little longer than my last braids, but I honestly think it's because I'm so short. Or not, I'm not so short, it's just my height. So 15, I only have 15 braids. So yeah, we finish at 12:40 and I'm about to get into bed. I'm about to tie my hair up and go to bed. Y'all already know me. I tie my hair up for the first 4 nights, and then I stop tying it up because I sleep on silk pillowcases. So I'll be feeling like there's no need for me to tie my hair up. I have this, a mosquito bit me right on my cheek, right here, y'all. That's a mosquito bite. It's 9:30. I made it to my lash appointment on time. Okay, so I'm back home. Look at the lashes. The lighting is ass right here, but let that dry. This needs to hurry up and dry. Let me go get a, oh. I have a blow dryer right here. I got a blow dryer right here. Good. No. No, move. Because you didn't even want to let me have her. Ouch, you're going to run over my foot. Stop. This snake swimsuit, 2-piece set with the white dress. And I'm going to wear black sandals because I don't want to wear my Crocs. But I'm going to wear a hoodie and some sweatpants in the car. I hate asking anybody to do anything for me. I asked my brother to wait on me. Why does he send me this?
You always want somebody to wait, Gia. Why does everything have to be on your time?
I need a pair of sweatpants. My closet light is so
You want to get the ice now, or you want to get the ice? We can get closer. Where would you put the ice at? What we doing, Chop? We trying to put the ice over the soda, right?
That ain't gonna fit though. The soda's big.
Come on. Close the thing and you're outside of the thing. And be careful with this thing right here. You have to pull it and back all the way out.
Why is she even driving?
Because Dad didn't want to drive. Give me the, I'll drive.
Dad didn't want to drive.
Don't say nothing, Gia.
Dad, please get in the driver's seat.
It's a family affair.
Get in the back.
It's a family affair.
I drove it from the airport. Nobody had any complaints. Okay, the key. Oh, whenever it starts. Okay. Watch them. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
No, because you could have started talking. Dad, she gonna talk to you too.
No, I'm gonna put my headphones in.
Yeah, please. You can put them in without driving.
I'm gonna put them in regardless.
Watch out from the trees.
Don't be getting on your seatbelt. Ain't no so it ain't no windows pop out.
Got the strongest
Yeah.
It's 7:49. Well, 7:50.
because everyone has.
Say good morning.
Hi. How does my hair look?
Say good morning. Say good morning.
Oh, you want me to pass it?
Sissy? Where's her swimsuit?
What? Don't come for me, honey.
Oh. Is there only one stall? Oh, there's more than one. Hold my vlog, please. Sit in the bathroom with me. Ew, this is the one that you use?
Yeah, I had to squat.
Close the bathroom door.
Oh, okay, faucet.
Yes. From Myrtle Beach, even though we're going to Virginia. My favorite sweatpants and my shoes, my sandals. Sorry, I didn't mean to smack you. Just black sandals because I didn't want to wear my Crocs.
I have my thrift sweatshirt from Kids Club staff. Favorite black sweatpants.
Okay, Michael.
Kiss me, baby.
Okay.
See?
Say something about your outfit. Baby, go pee-pee.
Kiss me, baby.
Sorry.
Kiss me, baby.
That
Kiss
bathroom's
me.
nasty.
Ew.
Okay, I have to go. We have to go to another gas station and get me a charger for my So I had to come and find a new charger because my camera is about to die. Well, it only has one bar on it. So we came to this store and the lady helped me find a charger.
Every minute that she stays away.
We're underwater.
Made it to the beach.
That joke ain't waterproof.
Wait.
No, that camera.
I only took like 4.
She's scared of me to do her phone and back.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, you can go ahead. Get that to the brother.
Oh my God. These winds is about to take me out.
Stop acting crazy.
Oh, this is my brother, D. I can't see the camera. Yeah, this is my brother, D. He's one of my older brothers. I said he's one of my older brothers.
Oh, okay.
How old are you, D? He's 28.
28.
Yeah.
28, girl.
Okay.
And doing this thing.
Yeah. I forgot I had my lashes done. And me, Dijon, we were all just in the water. And my hair, I'm gonna have to take my hair out. I did not want to get my hair wet. There's like sand in it. So it's
Polly's on the way.
we're about to go eat now. Look at Sissy, y'all. Sissy's so big.
You got me?
Oh, you're driving?
Sit.
Oh gosh. So the slowpoke is driving first.
Yes.
Honey.
We're gonna be doing 2 miles per hour.
Girl, bye.
We're not even gonna be there at 12. We're gonna be there at 2 in the morning. And it's 7:30 now.
Yeah, so.
Because she hates dropping. Be quiet. Okay, so we're getting back on the road now. I just showered. I had to rinse all that sand off me. I'm gonna take my hair out tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair. It'll come to me tomorrow. Bad and yeah. Okay. I hope this looks right. I really hope it does.